Business communication is a crucial part for business and its growth. Welcome to Calilio, where you can not only buy 100 plus countries' phone number, but also can manage clients in an organized way. Today we are going to know how you can purchase Mexico phone number using Calilio. It's very simple. First log in to your Calilio account. If you don't have an account, then sign up with Calilio in just few steps. Once signed in, navigate to the number section and search for Mexico. Choose the type of number you want, local, mobile, or toll-free. Enter the desired number or phrase you want to have in your number. Then select a number, give it a friendly name, and continue with the cart. But remember, you need to upload your identity documents as a proof after purchasing the number. Once done, make the payment. And here you go, the number is yours. With Calilio, you can expand your business without worrying about communication. Sign up to Calilio, the modern business phone system.